Target budgets are top-down budgeting. Budgets are lump sums at the project level and then compare against your work plan and actuals as you enter in time and expense entries. I'm going to go to my project and edit it and click on the Target tab. Now you can enter in as much or as little of this information. So let's say that we estimate that this project is going to take us hours to do. Our rate internal average for top-down target budgeting purposes, we have total labor cost. Let's also say that we have non-labor expenses that we have to incur, and we have a total target budget. Now this target budget is the cost of the project. Now if we go down to the target budget billable row, this is the revenue side of the equation where you've negotiated a flat fee from your customer and that's what you will invoice them. So let's say we negotiated for hours and the negotiated average rate priced out labor time and our expenses, little markup on that. So our total contract for the flat fee fixed price contract with our customer is $116,000. So save that. Now, how do I use it? Well, I've created a couple of project level reports. First, the target versus work versus actual. This has our target total, labor and non-labor. We built up our plan, and based on our plan, it costed out to $53,405. So it looks like we're going to come in underneath our target, which is super good. We have actual totals here, which are time and expense entries, and that makes sense since we're only 4% complete. Now let's take a look at the revenue side. And this is the exact same report, except we're looking at it from a revenue perspective. Here's our build the machine project, and it's got our fixed price flat fee contract for labor and non-labor items. The plan priced out, so we're going to value bill if we can come in at this plan super good, bonuses all around. Now the converse is true. In our changes needed to App 1 project, we have a fixed price flat fee contract of $40,000 and our work plan priced out at $42,450. So if we come in at our work billable plan value here, we're going to have to eat $2,450, which is not the greatest thing in the world. So you can see that it's very helpful to have top-down budgeting through target budget amounts for both our cost and revenue side of the equation.